What's up guys? Today I have the new redesigned 2021 Hyundai Elantra. I'm gonna go over some of the features and what stands out the most to me. Let's go. Let's talk about the new front design. You have that big diamond grille up front, making the whole front look so aggressive. Sharp lines along that long hood. You have lines on the side of the car that goes all the way back to the tail lights. I'll show you that in a little bit. You have that same diamond pattern LED daytime running lights, making this whole package look so nice. Let's talk about power. Under the hood, you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, 147 horsepower at 132 pound-feet of torque. Now for its mileage, you get 31 miles for the city and up to 41 miles for the highway. Before we head to the back, I want to point out the 16-inch black alloy wheels that come with the car. Also from this angle, you can definitely see the aggressive sharp lines that go all the way back of the car. Let's go. As we follow the sharp lines from the front to the sides, to the back, it blends right in with this aggressive LED tail lights that goes right across the trunk lid to the other side. Also for the top, the trunk kind of comes out, creating this nice spoiler effect, this aggressive look. Even for the back of a car, you have the Elantra badge that goes right across the lid. To pop this open, press the little black button underneath the badging. Inside you have 14.2 cubic feet of space to work with. Here are some of the things that stood out to me as soon as I got in this car. First off, you have a 10.25-inch digital cluster. It's a beautiful cluster. Along with an 8-inch LCD touchscreen. You have your Bluetooth connection, you have your Android Auto, your Apple CarPlay. Underneath, you're gonna find a wireless charging pad along with a USB connection as well. Safety features for this car include class exclusive safe exit warning, making it safer to pull out of a parking spot because it can sense rear traffic. Now you get your forward collision avoidance, you have your blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic collision avoidance. For your comfort, you're gonna find heated seats for the driver and passenger. It's perfect when it's cold weather outside. Now let's take this car out for a spin. Now that we have this car out for a quick spin, I want to point out one of my favorite safety features that works very well for this car. The lane keep assist, lane follow assist. Now, if I ever need to take my hands off the road on a straight path or even has soft bend, the car will stay within its middle line perfectly. Another feature that does work very well is its smart cruise control. You can maintain the speed of the car in front. If it's slowing down to a stop, your car will slow down to a stop. It will pick up speed, your car will just pick up speed right after it, maintaining a safe distance. It rides comfortably and firmly as well. Not too stiff, just right. Before I finish this drive, I want to give you guys my opinion of this car. I find the 2021 Hyundai Elantra a great package for what it's worth. The safety features I need are there, along with the technology. I find the cargo space enough room to fit my everyday needs, with plenty of room in the back seats. What stood out the best for me would be the outside design. You have that aggressive look in the front, also the aggressive look in the back, making this car sporty enough for my everyday drive. I will save plenty of money on the mileage that I get from this car as well. So as a full package, this is a winner in its class. Don't forget that when you buy a Hyundai, you're getting America's best warranty, such as its 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Now, if you thought this car is pretty cool, wait until later in 2021 when there will be an N-Line performance trim available. 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI under the hood, 201 horsepower at 195 pound-feet of torque, with a 6-speed manual transmission available, also a 7-speed auto dual clutch with paddle shifters. Now, if you want to check out this car or test drive this one, stop by Capital Hyundai in San Jose or Team Hyundai in Vallejo, or you can also shop online exclusively with our no-brainer checkout at dgdg.com. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.